Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic, which is a 4.4 V8 in Byron Blue. This car is next due for a service in December 21 and has previously had one owner. You have a 22-inch alloys along with a powered tailgate and plenty of space there in the back for golf clubs and pushchairs. An electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time attaching one and is definitely a lot easier. And you can close the boot using that button there. Carrying on around the car, you also have keyless entry. So if I lock the car, I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's nearby. Illuminated Range Rover scripted tread plates and a gorgeous leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice on a sunny day like today, or just if you want a bit of fresh air. There you see you have your windshield, and you can close it using the same button. Cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Suspension, higher for off-roading, in the middle for just general driving, and lower to make it easy to get in and out of the car. You also have various different driver modes, including grass, gravel and snow, sand and rock crawl. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. And you also have heated seats in the back, which ensures all passengers are happy. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone, along with other functions including ambient lighting, a deployable tow bar that can be controlled from the inside as well, several different colours, and you can also adjust the brightness, which looks effective at night. You also have a 360-degree surround camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier, along with a rear view camera. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which are all handy when driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, along with memory seats, which are ideal if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system, making each journey that little bit more enjoyable. You also have electric wind mirrors, which is handy if you're in a tight space, saves them getting damaged. This car's done 17,481 miles, and stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a lovely Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.